Future Transportation is a company focused on creating modern, eco-friendly ways to move people around cities. Instead of relying on traditional buses, cars, or trains, Next designs small electric vehicles that are efficient, quiet, and perfect for short to medium trips in crowded urban areas. One of their most exciting ideas is the Next Autonomous Shuttle, a driverless electric vehicle that can carry multiple passengers on set routes like between subway stations, campuses, or city centers. Since it runs entirely on electricity, it produces zero emissions, helping cities stay cleaner and quieter. Its compact size allows it to navigate tight streets and crowded areas with ease, making it ideal for busy urban environments. Next combines smart technology with practical design. Each shuttle uses sensors, cameras, and advanced software to avoid obstacles, follow routes safely, and interact smoothly with passengers. Pangios Terra yacht. The Pangios Terra yacht is a groundbreaking luxury yacht designed to combine comfort, adventure, and sustainability. Unlike traditional yachts, it runs primarily on solar power, using large solar panels to generate energy for propulsion, living areas, and onboard systems. This means it can travel long distances without relying on fuel, making it eco-friendly and perfect for extended sea journeys. What makes the Terra yacht special is that it's more than just a boat. It's a floating community. Its spacious design includes luxurious cabins, open lounges, and decks with stunning sea views, giving passengers the comfort of a high-end resort while exploring the oceans. Whether you're relaxing, entertaining, or enjoying the open water, the yacht offers a seamless blend of luxury and functionality. The vessel is built with cutting-edge engineering to handle long voyages while keeping passengers safe and comfortable. Solar power allows for quiet, smooth cruising, reducing noise and environmental impact. Guests can enjoy long trips at sea without worrying about fuel stops or pollution, all while experiencing the beauty and freedom of open waters. In simple terms, the Pangios Terra yacht is the future of luxury sea travel. It brings together sustainable energy, spacious comfort, and adventure, letting you explore the world's oceans in style while leaving a minimal environmental footprint. Pesa H2 Loco. The Pesa H2 Loco is an innovative hydrogen-powered locomotive designed to make rail transport cleaner and greener. Unlike traditional diesel engines, this locomotive runs on hydrogen fuel cells, producing electricity for its motors while emitting only water vapor. This makes it a zero-emission alternative, reducing air pollution and greenhouse gases, especially in busy rail yards and urban areas. The locomotive, called the SM4260N, is based on a classic Polish shunter design, but replaces the diesel engine with hydrogen fuel cells and a traction battery. These fuel cells generate electricity by combining hydrogen with oxygen, so there's no burning fuel and no harmful exhaust. The hydrogen tanks hold around 175 kilograms of fuel, allowing the loco to operate for about 24 hours before refueling, making it practical for full-day rail operations. The Pesa H2 Loco has already passed testing and certification and is now being trialed on real tracks in Europe. Red Shark Bikes. Red Shark Bikes are stylish and powerful electric bicycles made for anyone who loves riding with speed, comfort, and ease. These bikes combine modern technology with sleek designs, making them fun to ride while also looking impressive. What makes Red Shark Bikes stand out is their electric motor support, which gives you an extra boost while pedaling. This makes climbing hills easier, riding longer distances less tiring, and daily commutes much smoother. You can enjoy higher speeds without pushing too hard, making every ride feel exciting and effortless. These bikes also come with long-lasting batteries, so you can explore cities, countryside trails, or bike paths without worrying about running out of power. Along with a comfortable seat, strong frame, and reliable brakes, Red Shark Bikes are built for safety, durability, and a smooth ride on all kinds of terrain. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced cyclist, Red Shark Bikes make cycling more enjoyable and accessible. They combine the freedom of traditional biking with the convenience and fun of electric power. ReWalk Exoskeleton. The ReWalk Exoskeleton is a remarkable robotic suit that helps people with certain types of paralysis stand, walk, and even climb stairs again. It's a lightweight frame that straps onto your legs and torso and uses motors at the hips and knees to move your legs in a natural walking motion. Sensors detect your balance and weight shifts, so when you lean forward slightly, the exoskeleton helps you take a step, just like your body would when walking. This technology is life-changing for people who use wheelchairs due to spinal cord injuries. With ReWalk, they can stand up, walk, turn, and move independently, all while improving core strength, posture, and circulation. It doesn't just help with mobility, it also supports overall health by reducing the problems that come from sitting for long periods. The exoskeleton is adjustable to fit different body shapes and sizes, and users train with professionals at first to feel confident and safe. It's medical-grade technology designed for real daily use, not just for demonstrations. In simple terms, the ReWalk exoskeleton gives people a chance to regain freedom, independence, and confidence. It turns the dream of walking again into a real possibility, allowing users to experience the joy of standing, moving, and interacting with the world in ways they thought were no longer possible. Sbarro 8 Concept. The Sbarro 8 Concept is an eye-catching supercar designed by the famous Swiss company Sbarro, known for bold and creative car designs. Unlike normal cars, this is a concept vehicle, a rolling piece of art that shows what a futuristic high-performance car could look like. What makes the Sbarro 8 exciting is its daring design. The sharp lines, aggressive stance, and unique shape make it stand out instantly. Every detail, from the headlights to the airflow vents, is designed not just for performance, but to make the car look fast and powerful, even when it's standing still. It feels like something from a sci-fi movie brought to life. Inside, the concept focuses on the driver's experience. The cabin combines advanced materials, digital displays, and controls made for precision driving. It's built to give the driver a thrilling and engaging feeling, even if this car is still just a prototype. Sky Surfer Aircraft. The Sky Surfer aircraft is a futuristic personal flying machine designed to make everyday flight feel simple and possible. It's an electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, which means it can lift straight up from the ground like a helicopter. You don't need a long runway, making it perfect for small spaces and urban areas. What makes the Sky Surfer truly exciting is its compact and lightweight design. It's built to be small enough to transport easily, and some concepts even show it folding for travel. The goal behind this aircraft is to create something that feels less like a complicated airplane and more like a personal mobility device for the sky. Because it runs on electric power, it's designed to be cleaner and quieter than traditional aircraft. The idea is to give people a fast way to avoid traffic and move through cities in the future. Controls are planned to be simple, helping make flying easier for everyday users instead of only trained pilots. While it's still developing, the Sky Surfer has already captured huge attention online. It represents a future where personal flying vehicles could become as normal as driving a car, exciting, compact, and built for modern life. Sunflower Home Heliostat. The Sunflower Home Heliostat is a smart and simple device that helps homeowners get more energy from their existing solar panels or solar water heaters. Unlike regular solar setups that stay in one position, this system follows the sun throughout the day, just like a sunflower, reflecting extra sunlight onto your panels to boost their performance. It works using a moving mirror that automatically tracks the sun's path from sunrise to sunset. As the sun moves across the sky, the mirror adjusts so that more sunlight is bounced directly onto your solar panels or collectors. This increases the amount of energy your system produces without needing to install extra panels. The heliostat is designed to be easy to set up and run. It uses built-in sensors and a small controller to operate automatically, so you don't need to adjust it yourself. Once installed, it keeps your solar system receiving the most sunlight possible every day. Tesla Optimus Gen 2. The Tesla Optimus Gen 2 is Tesla's latest humanoid robot designed to help people with everyday tasks. Think of it as a robotic assistant that can walk, reach, lift, and handle objects, making chores, repetitive work, or heavy lifting much easier. It's built to work alongside humans, whether at home, in factories, or in warehouses. Compared to the first version, Gen 2 is faster, stronger, and more agile. It moves smoothly, balances better, and can turn or navigate spaces without stumbling. Its body is built to perform a wide range of tasks, from picking up items to organizing spaces or assisting in work environments where safety and precision matter. The robot uses advanced sensors, cameras, and AI software to understand its surroundings. This allows it to avoid obstacles, make decisions on the fly, and work safely around humans. Toughbuilt knee pads. Toughbuilt knee pads are made for people who spend a lot of time working on their knees. Whether you're installing tiles, fixing floors, doing construction, gardening, or repairing something at home, these knee pads help protect you from pain and pressure. Hard surfaces like concrete and tiles can quickly cause discomfort, but these pads add a thick layer of cushioning between your knees and the ground. They are built strong and durable, so they don't wear out easily, even with daily use. The outer shell is tough enough to handle rough surfaces, while the inside has soft foam padding to keep you comfortable during long hours of work. Some designs even allow smooth movement, so you can shift and slide without hurting your knees. Another great feature is the adjustable straps. You can tighten them to fit securely, so they don't slip while you move around. This makes them reliable for both professionals and DIY users. Overall, Toughbuilt knee pads are a simple but smart investment. They protect your knees, reduce strain, and make tough jobs much more comfortable and manageable. Toyota E4Me Concept. The Toyota E4Me Concept is a futuristic small electric car designed specifically for city life. It's perfect for navigating crowded streets, tight parking spots, and busy urban areas while producing zero emissions. Being fully electric, it helps make city air cleaner and quieter while still giving smooth and effortless performance. What makes the E4Me special is how it combines compact size with comfort and style. Despite being small, the interior is designed to feel cozy and user-friendly, offering enough space for passengers to enjoy a relaxed ride. The exterior has a modern, friendly look with smooth lines and sleek lighting, making it stand out while fitting naturally into city streets. Toyota has designed this concept to be more than just a car. It's a smart urban companion. Its electric system, easy controls, and compact dimensions make driving in tight spaces simple and stress-free. It's built for short trips, commuting, and everyday errands, giving drivers flexibility, efficiency, and fun while moving around the city. In short, the Toyota E4Me concept shows what the future of city cars could look like. Small, stylish, eco-friendly, and incredibly practical. It's a clever, clean, and enjoyable way to travel through modern urban life, offering convenience and sustainability in one compact package. Ugot Robotic Kit. The Ugot Robotic Kit is a fun and easy way for kids and beginners to build their own robots. Instead of dealing with complicated tools or confusing wires, this kit uses a modular design. That means all the parts snap together like building blocks, letting you create walking robots, moving vehicles, or custom robotic toys quickly and easily. What makes it great for beginners is how simple it is to use. Each piece fits intuitively, so building a robot feels like playing a game rather than struggling with tiny components. After assembling your robot, you can program it using simple drag-and-drop software or beginner-friendly coding tools. This teaches skills like logical thinking, sequencing, and problem-solving while keeping it fun and interactive. The kit also encourages creativity. You aren't limited to one design. The same set of pieces can be used to experiment with dozens of different robots. Venturi Wheel. The Venturi wheel is a revolutionary wheel designed to help vehicles explore the moon with ease. Unlike ordinary wheels, it's built to flex and bend over rough terrain while staying strong and durable. This makes it perfect for the moon's rocky, uneven surface, where slopes, craters, and extreme temperatures can make travel very difficult. Engineered by the Venturi Group for the Flex Lunar rover, which will ride on SpaceX's Starship, the Venturi wheel uses a smart combination of cables, springs, and flexible materials. This design allows it to absorb shocks and adapt to every bump and obstacle. It keeps the rover stable, reduces wear and tear, and lets it travel much farther than traditional wheels. Some tests suggest it could cover over 1,000 kilometers on the moon. The wheel's ability to deform and return to shape is what sets it apart from regular rigid wheels. Think of it like a super strong rubber that can twist and flex without breaking. Verge TS Pro. The Verge TS Pro is a high-performance electric scooter built for both fun and practical riding. It's perfect for commuting, running errands, or simply exploring your city with ease and style. Designed to be comfortable and reliable, it gives riders a smooth and enjoyable experience every time. One of the standout features of the TS Pro is its dual motor system. This provides plenty of power for fast starts and climbing hills, making it easier to tackle any terrain without slowing down. Combined with its long-lasting battery, the scooter can travel long distances on a single charge, so you don't have to worry about stopping frequently to recharge. The Verge TS Pro is also built for comfort and safety. It has a spacious deck for standing, sturdy suspension to handle bumps, and reliable brakes to keep you in control. Its design is thoughtful and user-friendly, making it easy for both beginners and experienced riders to enjoy the ride.